So one thing I love about my BenQ board is I'm able to log in using my AMS card and everything is already there. So it makes my life a lot easier. I'm not going through and typing in my login every single morning.
As a co-teacher, I travel from classroom to classroom. The nice thing about transferring between buildings and transferring from classroom to classroom with my card on the BenQ board, I can just ding, I'm in, and then I can access my drive.
We've got BenQs in all of our classrooms in multiple meeting spaces where we have groups of teachers meeting often. It allows really ease of access, flexibility for people to take students from one space to another, to take groups of teachers from one space to another, and to have instant access to their Google account and everything, within their BenQ account.